Data analysis as we know it today is the result of a long evolution, beginning with basic record-keeping in ancient civilizations and revolutionized by computing power in the 20th century. Today, data analysis is driven by big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, offering organizations deep insights into everything from business decisions to scientific discoveries. Data analysis, a fascinating topic that's shaping our world every day. Let's break it down. So what exactly is data analysis? Think of it as a way to make sense of all the information around us. Every time you scroll through social media, search on Google, or use GPS, you're generating data. Data analysis inspects, cleans, transforms, and models this data to discover useful information and support decision-making. But why does it matter? Data analysis is everywhere. In business, it helps companies understand customers, optimize operations, and make smarter decisions. For example, Netflix recommends shows based on your viewing history. In healthcare, data analysis can predict outbreaks, improve patient care, and develop personalized treatments. Imagine getting a treatment plan tailored just for you. In sports, teams use data to evaluate performance and strategize games. Ever wonder how they come up with those precise stats during a game? Yep, data analysis. And let's not forget about science and research. From climate change studies to space exploration, data analysis helps scientists make groundbreaking discoveries. With user-friendly tools, anyone can get into data analysis. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just curious, you can dive into data analysis and uncover hidden insights. So there you have it. Data analysis turns information into action. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.